Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture series. Today we are going to see JavaScript conditional statements. So what all are the JavaScript conditional statements? Here you can see if statement, if else statement, if else, if else statement, switch statement, break, continue. This we are going to see one by one, okay? If statement in JavaScript. The if statement is the fundamental control statement that allows JavaScript to make decisions and execute statements conditionally. Okay, syntax is if condition, execute this statement if condition is true. Here we can say why if statement is used. We can say if statement is used to execute some code only if a specified condition is true. Only if a specified condition is true, then we make use of this if statement. Okay, let's see this practically. Here you can see in the notepad, I have written a JavaScript in this body section, right? Here I have written the JavaScript in the body section, right? And I have made use of the conditional statement, that is if statement, right? If statement, you can see I have taken if statement over here. And I have taken two variables. One is x and the another one is y. Both are assigned with the values 7. Okay. Now, we are checking the condition with the help of its if statement. Okay. If x double equal to y. Here, double equal sign is a comparison operator. Okay. Double equal sign is the comparison operator, and single equal is used to assign values to the variable. This single equal is used to assign values to the variable, and this double equal is nothing but the comparison operator. So here we are comparing the x and the y values. If both the values are true or both the values are equal, then this block of code will be executed. That's why here we say what? If statement is used to execute a code if a specified condition is true. So here we can see the condition is what? True. Is it okay to everyone? Let's execute this file and see. So here you can see after the execution, the message has appeared onto your web page. Both are equal. You can see here both are equal, right? Since the value of x and y are same, therefore this block of code executed and message is displayed onto the web page. Okay. Now here you can see I have changed the value of the variable y. Okay. That means what? The value 8 is assigned to the variable y. Now, in if statement, it is going to compare, right? Since the values are different, right? X is not equal to y, then definitely this code is not going to execute. Since I said that if statement is used only for the variables whose values are same, right? That's why this code will not be executed and the code outside the script will run, right? What I have written here, that is try with some different value. Okay, so this is how after executing you can see try with some different values. Okay, the if block is not executed. Is it okay to everyone? If statement. Now let's see the another slide. Okay, now here you can see the next conditional statement is what? If else statement. Okay, the if else statement allows JavaScript to execute statement in more controlled way. We can use the if else statement to execute some code if a condition is true and another code if the condition is false. Okay, so basically here you can say if else statement to execute some code if a condition is true and another code if the condition is false. Right? Let's see this with practical. Right? So here you can see I have changed the code over here. You can see this is the if block and this is the else block. Okay. This is the if block and this is the else block. I'll remove this for time being over here from here. Okay. To here, see, if the condition is true, that means what? If x is equals to y, right? Both the values are true, then this if block will be executed. If it is false, then this value will be executed, right? Let's see what happens, right? After the execution. So here you can see both are not equal, right? Both are not equal. This file have appeared here. This message have appeared here, right? So here you can see this is how we are going to execute the if else statement. Let's see the another conditional statement now. This is what? If else statement. Okay. Now the if else statement allows JavaScript to execute statements in more advanced control way. It allows JavaScript to make correct decision out of the several conditions. Let's see this practically. So here you can see, now this is what? If else statement, right? So here I have taken the JavaScript. Okay, so here you can see variable age is equals to 14, variable friend age is equals to 16. I have taken if block as if age is greater than 18, then document dot write get a driver license. Okay, if this condition is true, if age is greater than 18, then this block will be executed. Else, if this condition is true, then this will be executed. This statement will be executed. Else, if both are false, if these two are false, then this statement will be executed. Is it okay? So here you can see age is assigned with the value 14 and friend age is assigned with the value 16. So definitely these two conditions are false. That's why it is executing this else part. That is kid stick to bicycle. Right? So here after execution you can see this is how the file have been executed. It has executed the last part. Right? Now let's change the value over here. If I take age as 14, age as 19 suppose, right? So here let's save this file and refresh this file. So here you can see if I change the value for this age variable, so here this block condition is true. This block condition is true. That's why the statement inside this block is being executed. Is it okay? Get a driver license. Now the another statement is what? Switch statement. Switch statement is used to execute one of the statement from many blocks of the statements. Okay, let's see this practice. So here we can see this is the example of your switch statement. So basically switch statement begins with the keyword switch. You can see here it begins with the keyword switch and the round brackets that contain an expression. Okay, that contains an expression. So this is what the grade, and the grade variable is assigned with the value b. Okay, now it is going to check for this inside this cases. Okay, the interpreter checks each case against the value of the expression until a match is found. Right, until a match is found. So here it is going to check this case, it is going to check this case, it is going to check this case. Then if any case is not found, then the default case will be executed. Okay, so the grade variable is assigned with the value b. So here this case is matching, right? This case is matching. So here this will be executed. Okay, right? And this will be the value of the result variable will be displayed in the output. So here you can see B grade over here B grade. So this is what the concept of switch case. In the next video, I will be taking with the break and the continuous statement. Thank you.